Bridging is our next technique, and I love this technique because of the versatility of it. We can use this technique as a meet and greet technique where we just apply the energy support of bridging for only a couple of minutes to allow a new animal the awareness of what we're going to be doing. So it's a nice way to just let them know that as a practitioner, you're coming to help them and that they don't need to be afraid of us. A great way to do that. The bridging technique provides the energy of unconditional love and true expression to be facilitated through the entire body, affecting all the chakras, major and minor, all the organs of the body, and the energy field that surrounds the body. And it allows a higher frequency and vibration of the body because of that unconditional love and the true expression of the animal that comes through. The bridging technique also is great to use in competition settings. Actually, that's where this technique was born as I was working with the cutting horses and different competitions around the country, and allowing the animals to recognize their job in that competition and to have fun with it because they have been trained so well before. So we'll talk about that in just a little bit. Bridging technique also can be used to praise an animal for a job well done. And working with the bridging technique for that is amazing. It's a great animal-human bond technique, allowing your opportunity to give gratitude to the animal for what they have meant to you in your life. It's also a technique that we use for inappropriate behaviors and to correct those behaviors. And working with an animal, we work with them to provide a clarity of how their job is and what they should be doing in order to be within a household, within a barn, within whatever they are supposed to be doing. And recognizing that their inappropriateness is an imbalance of who they are. So working with a bridging technique, it is like the mainstay of a lot of the treatments that we do. And it's also oftentimes a prerequisite for some of the upper level techniques that we provide in Healing Touch for Animals. So I'm going to demonstrate for you the bridging technique, just the energetic concepts right now, and allowing you the understanding of what happens and why it's called bridging, and then talk to you about the intention as we're demonstrating. I'm going to place my hand over a throat chakra and over the heart chakra and allow that energy to flow into both hands at the same time, create a great connection. So the reason I call it bridging is because it creates a unification of those two energies like the girders of a bridge. And that's why I call it bridging. So that's the history of this technique. But the energy here is a higher frequency and vibration. It feels different than these two hand positions that you learned in the chakra balance. So don't get confused with that as you're doing chakra balance. This is a separate technique. And as that bridge takes place and the energies combine together and the girders of that bridge has formed with the energy that's flowing through the body, we allow those two concepts of the heart chakra of unconditional love and the true expression of the animal to flow through all aspects of their energy system. So from the root chakra to the sacral to the solar plexus, to the throat, to the heart, to the brow and crown, and then to all parts of their physical body and to the energy field outside of them. And as that energy connects and is supported, that true expression, that unconditional love just permeates from their bodies. It establishes an energy that is so supportive of them that it provides them a balance that is sustainable, oftentimes longer than any other technique that we might do. So that's bridging.